So we just arrived at our hotel room. We're staying at the Myrion Beach Resort in Hania, and this is our hotel room. So beautiful. It's got sofa, TV. Then we have a sea view. I'll show you that in a minute. Then the double bed and cupboards. And then the bathroom. So nice. With a toilet. And then the view, I mean it's nighttime right now, but this is the view. We've got sea view, and this is the swimming pool and all of that stuff. And yeah, it's so pretty. We love it.
This should get.
Such a nice hotel room. It's a beautiful view, swimming pool, sea. So goodbye. This is the reception area, then there's a dining area. There's a bar here and then a lovely seating area. And then there's also outside seating as well.